to come to the classroom, attend your class regularly so that you may be benefited. How long you will be fear-cladded? How long you will be fear-cladded? Fear-flooded? I agree that there is a fear of corona. But so far as recovery rate, 90% recovery rate without vaccine. No vaccine in the world claim 100% recovery. So it is my request to all of you to come to the class regularly, either for your doubt class or for your regular class. Let us start the chapter. We have already discussed the first paragraph. We have read about APJ Abdul Kalam's birth and his parents. Now come to the second paragraph. Come on, take out page number 69. Page number 69. Paragraph 2. Page number 69. Paragraph 2. Para 2. Page number 69. When I was one of many children, a short boy with a rather undistinguished. What is the meaning of distinguish? If you have something distinguished, it is remarkable. Undistinguished, no remarkable quality. Distinguished means UISH, remarkable. Or notable. No remarkable and notable quality. The child possesses not a single remarkable and notable quality. Many of you may have seen APJ Abdul Kalam, a man of a very short height. Just born to a tall and handsome parents. His parents were tall and handsome. Handsome. His parents were tall and handsome. Tall is the how? Taller, tallest. Tallest. Positive, comparative, superlative. What will be positive of a tallest? No other boy can be as tall as he is. Patna is the best city. No other city is as good as Patna. So here the positive. So he was a taller parent. We lived in our ancestral house. ancestor that belongs to your forefather, belongs to forefather. Ancestral house, ancestral property, the property or the house or the belonging that is possessed by your forefathers, your grandfather, great grandfather, that is ancestral. ancestor से बना बेटा ancestral, ancestral, ANCES, ances, break the word, ancestral. Please write ANCESTRAL, ancestral, forefathers. Yes, Patrick, very good. Patrick belongs to your father. Patrick is a Sanskrit word. Patrick is a Sanskrit word. Patrick, Hindi or Sanskrit word. Patrick. Patrick means pater. Pater से बना पितृ पिता Patrick. They lived in ancestral house which was built in the middle of the 19th century. When it was built? Middle of 19th century. It was built in middle of 19th, like that in the 19th century. The house was built in the middle of 19th century. The house was built in the middle of 19th century. Now, it was a fairly large pakka house, fairly large, large plus fairly, meaning bigger than large. Look at the adjective, fairly good, good and fairly good, बहुत बड़ा, large बड़ा, बहुत बड़ा, fairly good. I have a fairly good amount, you have a fairly good property. माने property is having, but जरूरत से ज़्यादा. फेयरली मतलब बहुत ही बड़ा, फेयरली गुड, गुड से फेयरली गुड, बिग इनफ, बिग इनफ, फेयरली गुड मीन्स बिग इनफ. सो they were having a big enough house, they were having a big enough house that was built, made of limestone and brick on the Mosque Street, Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram Mosque Street. Mosque, Rameshwaram. Street. Rameshwaram Mosque Street, Masjid Gali, MOSQE, Mosque. In the inessential street Rameshwaram, my Asiatic Ausitry, see the word Ausitry, AUSTER, Ausitry, simple. See the word Ausitry. See the word AUSTERY. AUST Ausitry. AUSTEPERE. Ausitry. Simple. 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 Simple and strict. Simple and strict. strict, strict. He was simple but strict. AUST, Aust, pronounce it the words. AUSTERE, Austere. So, used to avoid all inessential, not essential. His father was simple but was very strict. And he avoided inessential comforts, luxuries, though he could afford. But as he was simple and strict, he was never worried about inessential comforts and luxury. However, all the necessary will be provided. What is necessary? What is necessary for family? A good house. He has fairly good house, pakka house, very pakka house. Food, shelter, clothes, education. These are the essential things that everybody need. So these things were available. In fact, I would say mine was a very secured child. Look at the word secure. How a child can be secure? You think about yourself. You feel secure when there is a backup, when there is a support, parental supports, family support, economical support. So these three supports, if you have supports from your parents, you are getting everything that is required as a child, then you feel secure. So this line tells that Abdul Kalam was secured child, both materially and emotionally. Materially means economically. We have two kinds of materials. Wealth. Materials is wealth. So, in terms of money or in terms of emotion, APJ Abdul Kalam childhood was secured. So, here in the paragraph number 2, you have read about that APJ Abdul Kalam was a short boy with a very unnotable, undistinguished personality, born to a tall and handsome parents. They live in an ancestral house and their house was fairly good enough. So as a child, both economically, materially or emotionally, the child felt himself secured. So APJ Abdul Kalam felt himself a secured child. Now, the third paragraph. The Second World War broke into 1939. When the Second World War broke? 1939. The Second World War. The Second World War broke. The Second World War broke out. Broke out. Here you see. In 1939, when the Second World War broke out. At the time of Second World War, APJ was 8 years old. 8 years old. How much old he was? Only 8 years. At the time of Second World War, APJ Abdul Kalam was 8 years old. For the reasons I have never been able to understand a sudden demand of tamarind seed erupted in the market. During the World War, some peculiar, typical things might have come across, might have heard about. When the lockdown was announced, I could well remember that even a simple mask was black marketed. I purchased a face mask of paying 300 rupees. Now it is 10 rupees. The sanitizer was out of market. I rushed from shop to shop. Somehow I managed to purchase sanitizers because I was busy with CBSE work. Hand gloves was costly, 50 rupees hand gloves. So these kind of black marketings are usual. What kind of rumor will spread, you don't know. Here you see the example of where tamarind seeds, इमली का बीज का क्या काम हो सकता है बेटा, आप समझ सकते हैं. In the market, and as a child he used to collect the seed and sell them to provision shop on a mosque street. Why and how all of a sudden the need of tamarind seed erupted, nobody knows it. But they collected and sell it. A day's collection would fetch me princely sum of 1 anna. So as a child, when he was 8 years old, used to collect the seed, tamarind seeds, and sell into that street. And he earned that much. To he feel himself like a prince. Princely sum, generous amount. Princely sum means generous amount. Generous amount. He got just princely sum, the generous amount. Of 1 anna. Anna, in our olden days, Indian currency is 1 anna. 8 आना, 4 आना, आपने सुना होगा 12 आना, 16 आना का 1 रुपया, 16 आनास इज इक्वल टू 1 रुपीज़. 4 आना 25 पैसे इज 4 आना. 8 आना दैट इज 50 पैसे, एंड 16 आना इज 1 रुपीज़. Understood? There was no rupee, there was no pice, it was anna. My brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell me the story about the war. His brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell him the story about the war, which I would later attempt to trace in the headline of Dinawani, our area. The which area? Anna, an old Indian coin worth about 6 paisa. 1 anna is equal to 6 paisa. 1 anna. Question ये आएगा बेटा 1 आना MCQ में 1 आना into 6 पैसा. Please note down 1 आना is equal to 6 पैसे. 6 पैसे. 6 पैसे. The headline is Dynamani area being isolated was completely unaffected by the war. The area in which APJ Abdul Kalam was living was completely isolated from the effect of the World War. Unaffected. But soon India was forced to join the Allies force. Who were the Allies force? Please recall the second war. Allies and Allies. Who were the Allies force? The armies of UK, USA and Russia. Allies forces means UK, USA and Russia. UK, USA and Russia. The Allies forces, the military of UK, USA and Russia during the Second War were called Allies. Allies forces and something like a state in the north from the suspension of the train halt at the Rameshwaram station. Rameshwaram station, there was a halt. It was not a junction. Only a few trains used to stop at that station. A halt is a provisional stoppage for the people of that locality. Mostly political people made the government agree to make a stoppage. That is called halt. You might have heard about halt. The train stops there just for 1 minute. People alight there and board there. So the train that used to stop at Rameshwaram station was cancelled. The newspaper now had to be bundled and thrown in the farm. Now, the only source of information was the newspaper. As the stoppage has been cancelled, so the newspaper is thrown out. It is thrown out from the train and the collectors collect it. Welcome sir, aye. Collect it. How it is? The trains, the provisional stoppage has been cancelled and newspaper were thrown out of the window. Okay? Now thrown out from the moving train on the Rameshwaram road between the Rameshwaram and Dhanashkodi. That forced my cousin Shamsuddin, the cousin APJ Abdul Kalam cousin Shamsuddin was in newspaper business. So long there was a stoppage. So long there was a provisional stoppage at the Rameshwaram station, he didn't require any help. He managed by himself. But when the stoppage is cancelled, why? Due to the Second World War. The halt is cancelled. Okay? So, and the bundles are what? Thrown out of the window. For that collection, to collect that forced my cousin Shamsuddin, who distributed the newspaper, to look for a helping hand. What forced Shamsuddin to look for a helping hand? Due to the cancellation, due to the provisional stoppage has been cancelled, and the bundle of the newspaper has been thrown out of the window. So he required a helping hand. Who was that helping hand? APJ Abdul Kalam. Bundle. So I filled that slot. The gap is filled by APJ Abdul. Slot is the gap. Slot is the gap. Who filled that slot? APJ Abdul Kalam. Slot. The gap. The gap is filled. The gap is filled. Shamsuddin helped me to earn my first wages. First wages, pehli mazduri. Wages is the charge that you get for the labor that you do. Daily wages, the money that you get for working daily. Daily, you might have daily wages, har din ka paisa. The day you will work, you will get the money. The amount will be decided between you and the employee. So, how he get the first wages? By selling the newspaper. Half a century later, I can still feel the struggle, surge of pride in earning own money for the first time. Even half a century later, even when he was 50 years of age, at that time, he could recall the proud, the surge of the pride, the rise of the pride in earning own money has some different place. The first time when you earn your own money, you will feel self-esteem. The self-esteem, self-esteem, esteem, self-esteem. So, here in the paragraph number 3, we have discussed that how the war days was difficult. You have already read the difficulty that APJ Abdul Kalam encountered with during the war. In the early morning, he used to go to the priest to take the rations, distributing the newspaper and helping his brother also, collecting the money. So here you see the hardship. Hardship helps you to build your character. So my dear children, if there is a hardship in your life, It will help you to build your character. Remember, hard days, hard